Mama, don't blame yourself and a few fault here.
So what I want you to say on a thugs on a gangster on a real on the street. Watch it trend them on a pick up.
Lisa, I use a dildo tongue. I beat in a Nuffy body like a Congo drum.
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless the love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and liners. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So I'm going to please take care of it, eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing. Yeah, man, I don't know Lion Foota saying no, nothing but love, blessings, guidance, protection, and prosperity. Yes, man, and I wish you all a festive season. I hope you're having a nice Christmas Eve and you got all the gifts that you wish for and the present. And I mean, even if you don't get none, even if it's just a card, give thanks and be grateful. The greatest thing we have life. See? Yes, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. You know, the more you like the content, you help the channel to grow. You see me? YouTube will put it out there so the channel can get discovered and the message delivered. You see me? As my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, I appreciate you all. Real talk. Yeah, man. Now, my viewers and subscribers, in this episode, we are talking about a show look visual, Foota hype, make a positive speech. I know he's a man always speaking his mind. And this time, we talk about the man that we already airing them with the cross at the end. See? And also, Spice and Lisa hype link up, reunite, and I bring up DJ about them past. Two songs with them, you know when them that go at it? Yes, lyrically. Zine. And also, Triple X. Make a little speech about Christmas relationship. Yeah, man, so you don't know the routine, you know. A little intermission.
Bumbleclad, it could have worse. Atalo, the sickest, the maddest, the baddest, the goddess. Hey, girl, come on, man, now. Hey, this is wine, pan him, ma. Take time and climb pan him. See, don't pan him now. You see the 31st of December, yeah? New Year's Eve. Right, yes, sir? The gardens. We are money down. We are flinging down. We are run up on this at determine me, shock. You know that's something normal. Get a drum and roll and drum and beat, drum and beat things and beat things. You know me I got did there. You know one only pop bad artist I got did there. But not for call no name. But you know what say nice. Right now, Malika and knock up and I want some fuck. Squeeze on my ass and grab up my front. My breast them stiff like when balloon pop. So we can get in as a guitar.
What's up, man?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Welcome back. I don't know. Me Shock. Determined meets Me Shock. You know, the 31st of December at a place called Gardens in Miami. Yeah, man. Slap your settings. Roll out. Big up all of the Miami people. Them Southside. You see me? And also produce. Yeah, man. Saf as Maki from Pienland. You don't know, the 31st of December. Pienland is the place to be. If you're in Jamaica, each up a Pienland right now. No war now go on. You see me, I just pure peace and pure party. Yeah, man, the 31st of December, producing all courtesy of Saf, aka Maki, Mac 10. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So let's get in it now. I kick it off with Foota hype. Foota hype have a positive speech to make. So listen what Foota hype I say, and it makes sense.
Yeah, remember talk to someone, road boy now where when you love pick up style and pick up trend. I understand to someone who young and don't know where I go and born up to research certain style before I pick it up. See? You see like the ears ring them where we're now with the round part and the look across at the end, research it. And George Michael them style, Boy George style, Elton John them style. Go study the origin around them ears ring there. It's a uniform here. At the symbol. At the doodle board them send that I wrote here. So what I want you to say on a thugs on a gangster on a real on the street. Watch it trend them on a pick up. Study them before no jumping at them. Kind of go implicating yourself and don't know. Just do some research before no jumping a style. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself, yeah? Research before no jumping a style. Yeah.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I hear Foota hype I say. Basically, I say now, I see like a trend go on. Well, I'm not familiar with the trend, but you know, Foota say a trend go on, and all of the man them say them a bad man and top man, and I really airing them with the cross at the end. Do your research first because of George Michael and you know Elton John and them and all of the, you know what I mean, the funny one them, you know? Yeah. bring out that style. You see me, so when you real that is like you paint an image by yourself. Which is true still. You know what I mean? I agree with Foota with that still. You have to just, you know what I mean? But I don't know, things and time change. As you always say, each to their own. You can't tell a man or a woman how to live them life or what to do. Lion Foot would never do that. As I say, yeah man. So after me I scroll on Instagram now, I don't watch Foota thing and me I scroll and do some research and thing in the reels and thing. I go book up on Triple X. Yeah, you know Triple X is a brother who reach out to me and big me up because me did big him up, you know what I mean? Yes, me did do a vlog on him when he lost, do exercise and losing weight and him reach over and big me up for that, you know. So big up Triple X. So Triple X I make a speech. So what you are
this still about you and the boy vex from what every minute he does a catch up for no reason. The simplest thing turn in a big argument. Every minute he malice you, he not chat to you when you call him, sometimes he not answer. Him just give be attitude, just be attitude. Mama, don't blame yourself and I feel your fault here. But you Christmas I come. And him broke. He don't have money for buying a present, so you see if I not vex you till New Year's come, you see it. You get me.
Yeah man, I hear Triple X speech. Triple X I say, yo, right now if your partner not good, you know. Right now this Christmas period there. You just I would say him get to it because you know when him vex and malice in that relationship, the money not run. So just I would say him get to it. But my viewers and subscribers, when I watch Triple X video. You know, so when I see that Triple X is the airing where Foota hype attack. So what? So we are saying, wait, you never see smoke without fire. I wonder if a Triple X Foota trouble or Foota does attack because it's a trend. You see me? Foota never call a name, but me does a. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? If a Triple X Foota hype a trouble and a throw a shade pan, or him does attack normally. Zine, so big up on yourself. Now my viewers and subscribers, Spice and Lisa Hype, former member for Gaza, or she's still in Gaza. Link up, reunite. I'm love to see that. Zine, so watch what I go on.
Me a talk the truth. Spice must stop young girl something like fruit. For kill her do what I'm gun them me a recruit. This girl is a coward and I'm too much breadfruit. People me talk facts. Bitch point on Kim says she know me from back. Me open her head with the fucking clutch back. She never perform a sting, no, she draw me out. Say you mash up the place, no fit tongue, you mash up. Mount a boo where you get try clean your ears. Sting stand up and you stiffer than a dick in your mouth. You run gonna sting and end up get booed. Then you talk, say you take it, you leave a big loo. Talk when they pick you out a Gaza crew, you put it in the Lisa, I feel like dildo tongue. I beat in a Nuffy body like a Congo drum. And then I do the
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you see Spice and Lisa Hype link up and I'm a freestyle them song where them with a clash against them one another when them never good. You see me? Yo, Lisa Hype says Spice and damn girl front. Spice Lisa, them kick her out the Gaza crew after cartel expose her and them him sausage. You see me? And also she get boop and sting and boy, I mean nah lie, Spice this up Nuffy wicked though. Spice come like she'd have it in for Nuffy. And more than one time she called Nuffy name. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. They don't know. You see me, it's another vlog. I will do it when I boss now brag. Just I give thanks to life. Yeah man, you don't know I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell and share the content if you feel like doing so. Yes man, much love. Merry Christmas when it arrives. You see me I say? Yes man.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I love nice because me been hungry.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.